Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Shiba update today. So did you know that the Shiba Inu coin has seen fluctuations over 20% in just a week? That's pretty wild. And we're going to find out what this means for the price's prediction today, and then what's going to happen in the next coming few days. Now, if you're not in the Discord and you want some freebies here and there, if you want some signals, some free stuff as well, just comment in Discord on the comment section, and I'm going to generate an invitation link for you. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. All right, so there is a lot of uncertainty going on, and volatility that is being predicted in the cryptocurrency market. Now, if you've been following the Shiba, you do know that it's had its ups and downs right here in the previous weeks. And also we're looking at some very fierce competition from other meme coins, and new cryptocurrencies are being launched that are popping up every single day. Plus, factors like regulatory news, market sentiment, and even social media trends can cause wild price changes. So how do we even begin to maintain a sense of stability with all the chaos? Well, it's a tough battle, and understanding these challenges is crucial for anyone looking to invest right now. But I think it's worth taking the risk. People should, dive deep wisely, have calculated risk management that is going to be really, really important. Now, in the past few days, there are some notable news coming in. And speaking of news, the major thing about Shiba is the Shibarium 2.0. That is the most overhyped, or let's just say the hyped development that we are hearing for Shiba at the moment. Now, into the technicals, we are very close to a break. We're very close to look at Shiba Inu explode. Now, what I'm talking about is that you have a resistance that has been acting very, very tough with Shiba at the moment. And if you look at it, we have the resistance here, move down, resistance and a move down, resistance, move down, another resistance and a move down. When you have so many touches like this, at some point you're probably going to be bound to start to break and go to the upside one more time. So if I look at and zoom at things, I've shown you the upper resistance. So you do have the lower support here, the lower support there, and another support right over there. Okay, and this has been a sideways movement for quite some time. Now eventually we're looking at a break until 30th of September. So the next 14 days we probably should be looking at something happening, and we might just see Shiba try to break and go to the upside, right? And that's the juicy part, right? That's the juicy. The break here is going to be amazing. And based on the current trends, market sentiment, and the recent news, so what I'm predicting is that Shiba at some point is just going to break above, and we could actually see the prices go back up at least right over here. Okay, ICP has done it as well, and we might just see Shiba getting up to 1590. So if we go to the ICP coin, I want to show you ICP very, very quickly. And if I do bring in ICP here and show you ICP, well, you can see that's what ICP did. You had moved to the upside, a rejection, you went down, and then you broke up, and then you came up here, making this little bit of a double bottom going on. So I think we are looking for some very similar scenario with SHIB as well. So if I do go and open up SHIB one more time, the patterns are looking pretty much the same. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. All we're waiting for is just something like this and move to the upside. So this range takes into account the bullish sentiment, and the key indicators like volume are going to be important in the future. Right now there's not too much volume, and social media activity is also going to be going to play a huge role. So if the community, I mean SHIB community is huge, and if we look at these people taking SHIB into social media and say the hype starts, we're going to see an amazing move to the upside. And of course, I'm also here to kill the zero. Now, to wrap things up, we've discussed the volatility, the challenges we're facing right now, and explore recent trends and the support and resistance and what's going on. So that's pretty much going to sum up everything. And one more thing, comment Discord, and I'm going to give you the invitation link so you can actually have normal trade ideas which you guys can take and try to earn money. So far we've actually made amazing things. Bitcoin here previously was at 57,000, and I made a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulder, and Bitcoin eventually went all the way to 60,000. So that was pretty much a free trade that you could have taken. So make sure you do comment Discord, and get into Discord for absolutely free. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.